Algebra 1. Let's do a really easy one. Lesson 10-7, using the discriminant. You will recognize the discriminant. It's under the radical part of your quadratic formula that you guys did yesterday. So it is the b squared minus 4ac. And again, remember how quadratics are written. Ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay, just so we keep that in mind. Let's see if I make that c a little bit better. There we go. So if this, when you solve it out, if it is greater than 0, you have two solutions or two intercepts. What that means is that your parabola is crossing the x-axis. That's what that means. If it equals 0, that means you have one solution. So it's only going through one spot on that x-intercept. So if this here equals 0, you have one solution, one intercept. That means it only crosses it once. If it is less than 0, so if it's negative, you have no solutions, no intercepts. So your graph could possibly look like that, where it's not even crossing that x-axis, okay, where it's just sitting up above and it's not crossing that x-axis at all. So when you're solving those out, you're going to get either 1, 2, or 3. You're going to get it bigger than 0, equal to 0, or less than 0. Okay, so down here, very first thing, make sure you get equal to 0. So we'd have 3x squared plus 2x, and you guys are very good about this now when you're taking it over. Subtract that 6. Label, a is 3, b is 2, c is negative 6, and then plug in b squared minus 4ac. So we're going to have 4. 2 negatives equal a positive. I think you can actually see where this is going by now. 12 times 6, 72. 4 plus 72, 76. That is bigger than 0. I have two solutions, two intercepts. Okay? And that's what I want you to write for those when they're asking you to solve. I know the directions are going to say, only put down if it has two solutions or one solution or whatever. But give me both. Give me two solutions, two intercepts. Okay, one more example, so I don't want to bore you too much. This one's already said equal to 0. So your a is 6, b is negative 4, c is negative 3, negative 3, not 8. Again, make sure you keep the negatives with it. So negative b squared minus 4ac. This is going to be 16. That's going to be a positive because two negatives equal a positive. 12 times 6, again, 72. So then you get 16 and 72 is 88. Therefore, this one here has two solutions, two intercepts. Let me do another one so we have where we have just like one solution or negative solution. Let's say I had 2x squared minus 11x plus 1, okay, equals 0. So let's do this one just so we have another example that I can show you. Hopefully I made up a right one here. Your a, is negative, or your a is 2. Your b is negative 11. Your c is 1. So let's go with b squared minus 4ac. So let me switch things around here a little bit. Well, shoot. Looks like I'm getting another one. So it's going to be 121 minus 8. You already know that's going to be bigger, so two solutions or two intercepts. Let's try x squared plus 13x minus 20. Let's try this one. So your a is 1. Your b is, actually let's change that to a plus, 13. Your c is 20. So let's go with b squared minus 4ac. Actually, I'm going to change my b to 3. There we go. So now we got 9 minus 80. Well, that's going to be negative. So therefore, we have 0 solutions 0 intercepts. Okay, and again, if it equals 0, right off the bat, you have one solution, 1 intercept. So there's a couple of different examples. Don't make it difficult. It's pretty simple. It's not a bad assignment at all. And I don't have very many problems for you. So there it is. The discriminant to tell how many solutions an equation has.